Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I did a nail video. Today I did a purple ombre look, and I did use C-curve nails. I wanted to show you guys exactly how I use them. I just love them, and I thought this set came out so pretty. So if you guys want to see how I did it, keep on watching. So the first step always is prepping the nails. I'm going to go ahead and push back her cuticles. I like doing this because it really helps to remove that dead skin and expose the nail. Now I'm going to use my sanding bit. It's a 180 sanding bit, and I'm just going to lightly file the nails. I have my drill set super low, and I'm just going to buff away the natural shine on the nail. Now don't skip this step because this is really important, because if you don't prep the nails properly, your nails are going to lift, and all of my sets last like 1 month or longer. So once I'm done prepping the nail, I'm going to go in with this different bit that's just for the cuticle, and I'm just going to use this around the cuticle. I like doing this because it really helps them look really nice and clean. And using this bit, I don't have to cut the cuticles or anything like that. This just removes all of the dead skin only, and this bit never hurts my client. I use this on myself as well. Now I'm just going to dust the nails, and we're going to go ahead and glue our tips on. Now I'm using the not polished extra long C-curve clear tips, and I'm gluing them on the nail. Clear tips kind of take a little bit longer to stick, so you do want to make sure you hold the nail in place for longer than normal. You can dip the nail in monomer, then use glue to help them stick faster. Okay, so once I'm done sticking them on, this is how they look. And I do like to go in and cut my C-curve nails on the sides. Okay, now the reason why I cut them is because while I do like C-curve nails, I don't like the super deep C. So what I do is kind of flatten the nail out, and then I cut off the sides just so it's easier to file, and this way you can have a more crisp shape. I definitely suggest cutting it on the sides. It just gives the nail a more tapered look. Yeah, and it makes it a lot easier to file. I am doing like a tapered square shape on her today, and this is how I get that perfect square shape. And you could also use this to make your nails, you know, almond or stiletto or whatever you want to do. And I will link the scissors that I'm using below. And once I was done cutting, I just went right into shaping, and I'm using a 100/180 grit nail file, and I really like this nail file for filing. It just makes it so easy. And you can see me kind of flattening the nails out more. And yeah, just go in and perfect your shape. I really love these tips. They help you get through a set really fast, and they also help you keep that really nice crisp shape. Filing your nails is actually going to be a really important step to learn. Through the past year, me learning to do nails, shaping was my biggest hurdle to overcome, but I think I've gotten a lot better at shaping and keeping my nails narrow, okay? And what really helps me do that is honestly pointing my nail downward when I apply acrylic. Like, that's a really important step. So once I was done shaping, I am going to go in with some dehydrator first, and then I'm going to apply my primer next. And I always use dehydrator now because, I don't know, it just helps my nails stick forever. Like, my sets do not lift at all, and they don't break either. So once I was doing that, I am going to go into acrylic application, and I'm using not polished acrylic in Ivyleague. Oh my god, it's so hard to pronounce. And I'm doing ombre nails. So I just went in with a really small bead. I find that using these C-curve nails, working in smaller beads is just better. And I am doing ombre, so I want to use small beads because I am going to go back and encapsulate the nail. So you just want to put down your first color, and then I'm going to go on to my second finger, and I'm using the acrylic color Soft Nude from not polished. And you just want to apply that at the cuticle and brush it down. And I did kind of mess up this nail a little bit, but I'm going to show you guys how I fix it. I just kept going in with smaller beads of acrylic just so I can help build up that color, because the first bead I used was a little bit too small. So you just want to apply small beads and clean up your sides. It's really important to clean up your side walls. And like I said before, you do want to make sure you point your nail downward all the time. You want to let gravity help you with your acrylic application, okay? That's something you really have to practice when you're first doing nails. I found that before I was doing that step, my nails used to flood all the time, you guys. But once I started pointing my nails downward, everything just flows better and looks more seamless and very, very professional, okay? So, yeah, I'm just going to do a nude and clear ombre, and I'm brushing that nude down. And once I'm done putting down the nude, I am going to go in with a small bead of clear. And then I'm going to apply my little butterflies to the acrylic, and then I'm going to let that dry, and I'm going to move on to the next nail. So now I'm just doing the same process. I'm putting down that purple color first and blending that down the nail tip. And then I'm going to go into my first nude and just blend everything together. Now this set was a little bit hard, you guys. I don't know why ombre sometimes is harder for me than other times, but it was a little bit challenging. So I did have to apply multiple beads just to go in and fix the opaqueness of the nail, because it wasn't opaque enough for me, okay? So yeah, it's okay. You can go in with multiple beads. Just use really small beads. And now I'm going to go in and cap my butterfly nail in clear. And then I'm going to cap the rest of the nails in clear. Once I was done capping my nails in clear, I did go in with my extra fine sanding bit, and I'm just gonna clean up the shape of the nail and smooth everything out. I do like using a sanding bit before I actually go in and use a regular nail file, just so everything can be really nice and crisp. And also it saves me a lot of time versus doing everything just by hand. So, yeah, just go around that cuticle really well and clean up that acrylic. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. We don't want no lumps and bumps on this set. Now I'm taking my nail file and I'm just going to really perfect my shape. I'm actually going under the nail, as you guys can see. You just want to make sure all of that is nice and crisp. When you're using these C-curve nails, you really want to file underneath. It just, I don't know, you guys, why it helps the shape become so perfect, but that's just what it does. Y'all, I love these C-curve nails. That it makes every set look so good and so professionally done. So once I'm done filing, you just want to go in and buff your nails and make sure again that it's nice and smooth to prepare you to apply your top coat. So now I'm using my not polished glossy top coat, and I love this top coat, y'all. I don't use nothing else. I bought like 6 bottles of it because I just love it that much. It just dries so fast and very nice and shiny, no bumps, no lint, nothing like that. It's just, I don't know, it's just the best top coat I've ever used. And usually I only use 1 layer of the clear, but I have seen people go back and do 2 layers of the clear. I guess that just makes your nail look super, super, super glossy. But 1 coat was, you know, it was perfect for me. And I would just love how these nails came out. Like, they look like candy. I really love this purple. I think I'm going to do me a full set using this color because it just is so pretty against dark skin. And I did let this cure for 60 seconds, and once it was done, I went in with some cuticle oil, and I love this cuticle oil, you guys. I will have it linked below. I don't remember the name of it, but I found it from another nail tech here on YouTube. It smells so good. It's bomb, y'all. So I'm cleaning off the nail with some nail swipe. And this is the finished look, y'all. Like, I love these nails. I was so proud of them. If you guys like my nail videos, please don't forget to thumb me up, comment below, and subscribe. I will talk to you guys in the next video. And also below, let me know of some other nail looks you guys might want me to try. You can also DM me the looks on Instagram, and I will make videos for them.